Hi students, it's Michelle from the library. Hope you guys are doing all right. I wanted to talk to you about online research support from the library. You already know we do a lot online from Library 10, and I've created an online research guide to help you with Essay 3 for Dr. Adela, and I wanted to walk you guys through the steps. There are 4 steps: keywords, searching effectively, finding sources, and sharing and documenting your sources. You can navigate here on the left side, or if you go down to the bottom right of every page, there's a button to go to the next page. So first off, you can see here that there's a link to Ask a Librarian. You can submit a question online anytime, and you can also contact Eve and myself directly if you have questions. And again, all of our collections are available online 24/7. Just use your Canvas student ID and login to get on. So the first step is identifying your keywords, and you're going to do that by using the articles that you picked from Readings for Diversity and Social Justice. So what are the keywords that those articles use to describe the issue that you're writing about? You want to write down a few of those keywords. I'm going to go down to the bottom button here to navigate to the next page. This next page on searching effectively reviews how to combine your keywords for searching. It covers basic and advanced search tips for combining your keywords for searching. I'm going to go to the next page. So this is the page where you're going to be searching for sources. You've identified your keywords and how to combine them to search effectively. This page has a video on how to search in OneSearch and then how to narrow down your results. It reminds you how to use those limiters on the left side to narrow and refine your results. And then you're going to go ahead and search in this OneSearch box. So the last step is sharing and documenting your sources. I'd like you to share your best source with Dr. Adela and I, and also with your fellow students using this online form. And you can see the results down here at the bottom. And then down below there are some resources for how to cite your sources, and again the link to Ask a Librarian and to my email and Eve's email. And just remember, we are still here. We really want to help you get through this. We miss you, and you can contact us anytime using either Ask a Librarian or emailing us directly. So cuídense bien, and contact me anytime with any questions.